Good morning, dears. Today we are going to learn chapter 5, that is Indus Valley Civilization. Okay, I hope you all learned chapter 4, that is some more landforms. Have you all learned? Yes. In that, I gave fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer, short answer, and one detail as a revision. I revised you, right? So, and I ask you all to write those question answer and with your parent signature send me a snapshot. I ask you all, but some people's only sending those things, not many of them sending. So please, if I give some revisions, please learn that and send me a snapshot. Okay, then only I know or you whether you are learning or not. So please write it and send me. Okay, very good. And in this chapter we are going to learn Indus Valley Civilization. What's the topic? Indus Valley Civilization. So in that we are going to learn location and timeline of Indus Valley peoples, society, occupation, language and writing at that time, and contributions. Okay, so first, what is civilization? Do you know that? The word civilization means people living in a settled way. Okay, people lived in a settled way. While we are talking about early age, people used to live in forest, cage, okay, and also they move from one place to another in search of food and water. And while moving, people miss their families and all. So they have started to live in a place, and that is civilization. Okay, so what is civilization? Civilization means people lived in a settled way, living in a settled way. Okay, let's move on to the topic. All of you take page number 91. Okay, page number 90, page number 90. Look at that paragraph, Indus Valley Civilization. I am reading, you just follow me. Okay, rivers have been the lifeline of people for thousands of centuries. The bank of rivers are very fertile for crops to be grown. So many people started settling down near the river banks. They use the river as a trade route to exchange goods with people in faraway places. Many cities started coming up in this region, and this led to the start of civilization. So, rivers have been the lifeline of people for thousands of centuries. In early age, people, for their lifeline, they believe in rivers. Okay, because the rivers banks are very fertile for growing crops. So peoples belong to rivers. So many people started settling down near the river banks. Then they can grow crops for their living, right? We all know if we want to grow some crops, we need water, right? So many people started settling down near the river banks, and also they used the river as a trade route to exchange goods with people in faraway places. People exchange goods, okay? What they have, they exchange with others. For those purpose, they use river as a trade route. If they want to exchange goods, they choose this rivers as their route, okay, trade route. So many cities started coming up in these regions. So due to this, many cities came there, and these led to the start of civilization. Thus their people living in a settled way, right? So let us look at one of the old civilization of the world that exists near the mighty river Indus. The remains of the buildings, the jewelry and pottery found unravel the mystery behind this splendid civilization. So in this Indus Valley civilization, this is one of the oldest civilization, okay, and that exists near the river Indus, okay. So these people belongs this river Indus, and they settled there, and thus the civilization starts there, okay. Have you all understood? Now we have look on some of the pictures related to the time, okay. So dears, please listen that right hand side. So the arrow showing the picture of Africa, okay, and the blue color is Nile river, okay. The picture is showing that arrow is Africa and the blue color is Nile. So the ancient civilization grew along the banks of river Nile, okay. This is river Nile. But in Indus Valley civilization, thousands of years ago, along the banks of the river Indus, the Indus Valley civilization grew, okay. Look at this image, dears. This is Indus Valley civilization, the banks of the river Indus. So the people live in the banks of the river Indus, okay, because of its fertility, and they grow crops and all, and like this peoples settled here, and the Indus Valley civilization grew, right? Understood? Okay, very good. And location, I am reading, listen carefully. The Indus Valley civilization located in modern day Pakistan and parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India began around 4,500 to 5,000 years ago. So this Indus Valley civilization located in modern day Pakistan, okay, and in parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan, but began around 4,500 to 5,000 years ago. Not now, when 4,500 to 5,000 years ago. And also the existence of this civilization came to be known when two important cities were discovered. And this civilization existence came to be well known when two important cities were discovered. Have you heard this name? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Have you heard? Yes? Yes. So what are the two cities? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Okay. So Harappa was discovered in 1921 and Mohenjo-daro in 1922. Okay. So they were found on the bank of river Indus. We are learning about Indus Valley civilization, right? So these Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were found on the bank of river Indus. Since Harappa was the first city to be discovered, this civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. So, the first city which was discovered is Harappa, right? So, this civilization, this Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. Understood? Once again I am reading. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Okay? Or read along with me. Try to read along with me. The Indus Valley civilization, located in modern day Pakistan and parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India, began around 4500 to 5000 years ago. The existence of this civilization came to be known when two important cities were discovered. That is, one is Harappa and another one is Mohenjo-daro. And Harappa was found in 1921 and Mohenjo-daro in 1922. And they were found on the banks of river Indus and its tributaries. So, Harappa was the first city to be discovered, so that this civilization is also known as the Harappan civilization. Have you all understood, dears? Yes. So, in next class, we are going to learn about society, occupation of the Indus Valley civilization, people's contributions, languages and their writings. Okay? Okay, dears. So this is today's portion and I will give some notes regarding to this. Okay? So try to copy that in your notebook. Okay, dears. We will meet in the interaction section. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.